Recently, I joined 10 days Vipassana Retreat in Bali for the second time. It is very challenging and not easy at all because I forgot about the first one. We're scheduled to live as a monk and meditate the whole day. Boy, it was really hard, especially when we need to wake up at 4:30 to meditate. I have an intention that I want to be familiar with my uncomfortable feeling, and guess what? It was always way more harder than I thought. I realized that I just want to escape from myself and I don't really want to do the meditation, but it is always a good experience to know myself deeper and deeper. When all of our freedom is taken away, it's like living in prison, literally. Somehow, I felt a deep sense of peace within me. I crave a lot of things in my daily life and I felt overwhelmed by all the sensory experience that I can easily get. I felt more restricted and controlled by the daily freedom life. When I crave something, I want it immediately. I chase one damn thing after another, and somehow I've never get really fulfilled and satisfied with the freedom I have. Isn't it crazy? I feel more free in the retreat that I don't really like, rather than in my daily freedom life. Freedom is when we realize that we have the internal power, no matter what the external looks like. I lost my power in the daily life because the external things seduce me into the bottomless rabbit hole of pleasures. I learned so much about freedom by being in prison. There's nothing wrong with all pleasures in life. It is to be enjoyed while it's here. The thing is, there is no real freedom without awareness, and I forgot to be aware in my body while enjoying pleasure things in life. I kept wanting more and more and I couldn't stop. Just like Britney's songs, I can't get no satisfaction. It is always good to challenge ourselves and I'm glad to join the retreat even though I have my own way of doing meditation. I'm a meat eater and for 10 days I can't eat meat. And somehow there is not much craving. Yes, I think about meat but there is no craving that I need to fulfill right away. Freedom is really internal. In my daily life, I have very little space and awareness about what's going on my head. I was running on a hamster wheel. The urge to always doing something makes me depleted and unfulfilled. Being in prison for 10 days makes me realize what I missed in life. I feel connected in my essence while being freedomless. If everything is taken away from me, I think I will be just fine because I know who I am. Vipassana is to observe things as it is without labeling it good or bad. It is the basic of life, nothing is permanent. Good time doesn't last forever and likewise with the bad ones. It is easier said than done though. We are humans with multiple emotions at once. There is nothing wrong with any emotions. They are like clouds in the sky that will pass if we allow them to. To heal is to feel the emotions and sensations in our body. The truth is hidden beneath the emotions and the pain. This is how we can set ourselves free from our limited mind. So yeah, I learned a lot by putting myself in discomfort so I can raise my endurance bar for the up and the down in life. A wisdom and quote only valid when we have tested it in ourselves. We walk the talk so it becomes us. We merge slowly with the wisdom. And so it is. Discomfort and pain can tell us the secret of life that we always ignore. It is not always pleasant, but I see it as a gift eventually. To be fully alive means to observe things without getting involved and identified with it, knowing that everything will pass. Thank you.